Hi, Heather. We were swimming, and then it rained a little bit, and so we came to... Yes. And look, it's the sky, but that's where the rain came from. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna go back in the water soon. Here's me. I can't even see myself. Okay. Hi, Heather. Look at her pretty bathing suit. Heather. She's really self-conscious, and she's really cute, so she should be quiet. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, we're done. Let's go back in the water. Bye, Heather. Oh! Hi, Heather.
Hi.
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
We're leaving the lake. And now we're going.
I didn't get a tan.
Well, I don't know.
I might have.
And we're going there, and Heather's got a potty.
I have to pee.
She's gonna pee, and I got my bags.
Oh
I don't want to put it on myself because I only have one hand free.
Do you want me to carry something?
No. Okay. We're gonna go in my house, and then we're gonna shower, and then we're gonna go out to eat. Where are we going? El Charro?
Whatever you want.
Isn't El Charro the cheapest?
No, I was that one.
Oh. Okay. El Charro it is.
Do you like El Charro?
Yes.
You have any places? Yeah, that's good too.
Where's that? In Blacksburg?
No, it's across the street from New Park.
Oh yeah, it's the Taiwanese place.
It used to be the Taiwanese.
Yeah.
Now it's
Okay.
I'll be back.
Alright, bye. What's up, everybody? We have both showered now, and now...
If you put me on camera, I will beat you.
Should we do it? Should we put her on camera? She's putting her face on. Aww, she shut the door. Okay, so the plan is, I think we're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant, El Charro.
You can now.
Okay, and then do whatever. I don't know. That was the whole plan for today. So after that, we have to watch. The kids are gonna be here back at like 7:30 because my mom is in Murphy, and so we're gonna have to watch them for like an hour and a half until they're all in bed, and then yeah. So yeah. Hi.
Hi. Don't look at me.
Oh, shut up.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't get that
Oh, that's
close.
close. Whoops.
Show my pimples to the world.
Oh, shush.
I don't got any sun on my face. No.
Ah, it's a paradox or something. Shut up. You're a turd. Oh, yeah, you gotta watch the video from yesterday. Guys, by the way,
listen.
tell me. Oh, cool. Hey, there I am. I can see the back of my head. Whoa, that's cool. Okay. So, you guys gotta tell me if you liked yesterday's video, because it was my brother and his friends being retarded and burning things. So you gotta tell me if you liked that video, because I did.
They caught themselves on fire.
Okay, anyways, so that's all I got. I'll see you people later. What's up, Heather? What did we make Legos with Josiah?
We made Legos with Josiah because he hurt his finger and he was crying. I felt so bad for him. And I was like, what do you want to do? He's like, I want to play Legos. I was like, okay, we can play Legos. So we played Legos.
We're watching John K. Was 8, but now it's on
Now
commercial.
we're watching Teacher Toys because my boyfriend's on it.
Oh, God. This is copyrighted. You can't watch it. Hey, wait, Wolverine.
Evan, stop showing television.
Sorry, guys. Hope I don't get my account canceled for that.
Would you?
No, I hope not. No, you have to show like the whole show. Like if you just show a little bit, right? Right?
The Black Eyed Peas were awful.
Oh my God, they're so bad.
Hannah got her nose pierced.
Ah!
Kim Kardashian's blonde.
Kim Kardashian is slutty.
Blonde.
Slutty.
Blonde.
Whoops.
Wait, do you guys think I look good blonde? Probably not.
Here, turn your head.
Why?
I'm just making.
Stars of Twilight. My boyfriend.
Oh no, we gotta go and watch it. Hiccup. She has the hiccups.
I only hiccup when I cough now. Wait, I'm gonna hiccup again. I'm gonna make some. Are my hiccups that weird?
Yeah.
They hurt so bad. Like, I almost throw up sometimes.
Don't do that. I make a mess.
Oh.
Your face was priceless.
What did I do?
You were like. Okay, I think that's good.
I can't control them.
Give me one more, and then I'll turn it off. Okay, bye.